Hello, people. It is me, General MEP. I have recently acquired this Ford Ranger pickup truck. Although it runs, it is still in quite crappy condition. Let's see if we can get it back to a respectable service condition. First, we're going to clean this thing up and then inspect it. This seat is junk. Oh, and by the way, did I ever tell you that I hate rust? Ugh. The ladder rack, the toolbox, and the decals have got to go. These are some of the items that I would like to repair or replace. The rusty back bumper. That dent. The missing piece of the bed rail. The rusty gas cap door. The rusty driver door. The fouled up front bumper. The driver's side mirror. The rusty hood. The rusty passenger side door. After I get these items completed, I will update you in my Ranger Repair Phase 2 video. Thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe.